In this video, I'll show you how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. First, open the CapCut app on your phone or computer. From the main screen, tap New Project, then choose the video you want to edit from your gallery or media folder. After selecting the video, tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. Once your video appears on the timeline, tap on the video clip to select it. You should now see different editing options at the bottom of the screen. The easiest way to remove the sound is to lower the volume of the original video. Look for the volume option in the bottom toolbar and tap on it. Then drag the volume slider all the way down to 0. This will mute the original audio from your video. Another method is to separate the audio from the video. To do this, tap the video clip, then choose Extract Audio or Detach Audio, depending on your version of CapCut. Once the audio appears as a separate track under the video, tap on the audio track and press Delete. This removes the sound completely while keeping the video unchanged. After removing the audio, press the play button to preview your video. Make sure there is no sound playing. Also check that the video itself still looks normal and has not been accidentally trimmed or moved. If you want, you can now add new music, a voiceover, or sound effects. Go to the audio section and choose the sound you want to add, or leave the video completely silent. When everything is ready, tap Export in the top right corner. Choose your preferred resolution and frame rate, then wait for CapCut to save the video to your device. And that's how you remove sound from a video in CapCut. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.